In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use cTrader Economic Calendar. First, go ahead and open cTrader. As the platform loads, give yourself a moment to get oriented. The layout is designed to keep trading tools within easy reach, and the calendar is part of that streamlined workflow. Once you're in, shift your attention to the right-hand side of the platform. This panel typically hosts quick access sections that traders use frequently throughout the day. In that right panel, locate the Calendar tab. It's usually positioned near sections like Orders or Depth of Market, so if you see those, you're in the right neighborhood. Click the Calendar tab to bring the Economic Calendar into view. That's the key action that reveals upcoming economic events directly inside cTrader, so you don't have to bounce between external websites while planning trades. After the calendar opens, you'll see a structured list of scheduled economic releases. It commonly includes the event time, the currency or region affected, the name of the event, and the figures that matter most to traders. Previous numbers, consensus forecasts, and, when available, actual results once they're released. Many calendars also highlight the expected impact with simple markers or color cues, guiding your attention to events that may move markets more forcefully. Use what you see on this screen to build context around your trading day. For example, if you notice several high-impact events clustered around a certain hour, that's a helpful signal to anticipate increased volatility. The currency column lets you quickly connect events to the instruments you're monitoring. If you primarily watch majors, keep an eye on releases tied to those economies. The combination of previous and forecast values gives you a baseline for market expectations. And when the actual data appears, the difference between expectation and reality often explains sudden price moves. Time awareness is crucial here. Check that the event times align with your own schedule and that you're comfortable with potential swings around release moments. The calendar view consolidates this information so you can approach the session with a plan, whether that means tightening risk, avoiding entries during a key release, or simply being prepared to manage open positions. By opening cTrader, looking to the right panel, and clicking the Calendar tab near familiar sections like Orders or Depth of Market, you've unlocked a powerful planning tool within the platform. Keep this calendar visible as part of your routine, and let it guide your preparation so that you're trading with awareness, not surprise.